Imagine taking the legendary luxury of Mercedes-Maybach and transforming it into a private motorhome, a vehicle where first-class comfort meets the freedom of the open road. Welcome back to the channel, because today we're taking a closer look at the incredible concept of a 2026 Mercedes-Maybach motorhome. From the first glance, this machine looks less like a traditional RV and more like a rolling luxury suite. The exterior combines the unmistakable Maybach identity with an enormous, streamlined body designed to deliver presence wherever it goes. The signature grille, elegant lighting, premium chrome details, and sophisticated body lines give it the kind of road presence you would expect from an ultra-luxury Mercedes. But the real magic begins when you step inside. Forget the typical motorhome interior. Imagine entering a cabin inspired by a private Maybach lounge with premium leather seating, beautiful wood finishes, ambient lighting, and carefully designed luxury details surrounding you. Every surface could feel like it belongs inside a five-star hotel rather than a vehicle. The living area could feature spacious reclining seats, a premium entertainment system, smart displays, and a refined atmosphere designed for long-distance travel. There's also the possibility of a fully equipped kitchenette, luxury sleeping area, private bathroom, and dedicated storage, turning the motorhome into a genuine home on wheels. Technology would be another major highlight. A vehicle at this level would be expected to feature advanced digital displays, intelligent climate control, premium connectivity, sophisticated driver assistance systems, and a high-end audio experience. The goal isn't simply to get from one destination to another. It's to make the journey feel just as special as the destination. And then there's the driving experience. A luxury motorhome this large would need serious power and smoothness. Mercedes could potentially pair a vehicle like this with a powerful hybrid or advanced electric powertrain, delivering strong acceleration while maintaining the quiet, effortless character associated with Maybach. Air suspension and advanced chassis technology could help provide a remarkably comfortable ride, even when traveling long distances. Of course, something this exclusive would not be inexpensive. While an official production version and final specifications would determine the real price, a Maybach branded luxury motorhome could easily enter the ultra-premium RV market, potentially costing several $100,000 or even more depending on customization. And that is what makes this concept so fascinating. It combines the prestige of Mercedes-Maybach with the freedom of a luxury motorhome, creating something designed for people who refuse to compromise between comfort, technology, and adventure. Would you choose this Maybach motorhome for a cross-country journey, or would you rather have a traditional luxury SUV? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more incredible luxury vehicles.